Hello, my friends. This is Miss D with Read to Me, Miss D. Today, we are going to take a journey with David Hyde Costello with I Can Help. I see a little duck in some grass by a pond, or maybe a lake. So, I can help. I'm not sure what this is going to be about, but I'm thinking it might have to do with helping someone. So, this looks fun. I love it. Oh, there he is. Uh-oh, I'm lost. I can help. That was very kind. Look it. Who's there? Up here. Thank you, monkey. Look it. I wonder who that would be. Uh-oh, I'm falling. I can help. Oh, what is that? Is that a giraffe? Oh, that was so nice. Beautiful. Thank you, giraffe. Gets to go to his mommy. Uh-oh. I can't reach. Ready? I can help. What do you think he's going to do? There we go. Thank you, gorilla. So kind. Uh-oh, I have a splinter. I can help. Oh, that's sweet. You can pull that out with his beak. There he goes. Thank you, Sunbird. I think a page is stuck. Let's try again. Here we go. Uh-oh. Oh, I'm tired. I can help, said the elephant. Oh. Thank you, elephant. All these people being so kind. Uh-oh. I'm hot and thirsty. Guess who's going to help? I can help. Who's that? Is that the little ones in the beginning of the story? Elephant's going to follow. Follow me. Oh, thank you, duck. There he is. You're welcome. Uh-oh, I'm lost again. We can help. Everybody's going to help him again. I love that book. Do you like helping people? I love helping people. It makes me feel good inside. Thank you for being with me today when we read together, I Can Help. And it's a nice gesture of kindness. Thank you for being with me today. Keep loving books. Bye-bye from Miss D.